Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw salad, easy method. Start by shredding 4 cups of cabbage and 1 cup of carrot, then chill while you mix the dressing. Keep tools and bowl chilled for crisp results. Stay relaxed and taste as you go to balance tang and sweetness. This method keeps the slaw crunchy and bright without sogginess, and it works well for picnics, potlucks, or weeknight sides. In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw salad, easy method. Whisk 1 cup mayonnaise with 2 tablespoon vinegar, 1 tablespoon sugar, and a pinch of salt for a creamy base. Add 1 tsp black pepper and a splash of lemon if you like extra brightness. Taste and tweak until the dressing complements the cabbage without overpowering it. Chill the dressing briefly, then toss gently so every shred is lightly coated and pleasantly tangy. In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw salad, easy method. Quick recommendation. Bento box make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers that seal tightly and stack neatly for fridges and bags. They keep your slaw crisp and prevent spills when transporting to picnics or work. If you want the exact containers I mentioned, check the description for the link and other deals. If this is helpful, please subscribe and like. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make coleslaw salad, easy method. Combine the shredded cabbage and carrot, then fold in the dressing gently so you don't bruise the vegetables. Let the slaw rest in the fridge for 15 to 30 minutes so flavors marry without losing crunch. Serve cold in a shallow bowl for best presentation and easy scooping. This approach keeps texture vibrant and makes the salad a perfect side for grilled or fried dishes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.